Hi guys, it's George here, and today I'll be showing you people how to boil an egg properly. Right, here we go. What you got to do is, if you want to boil a kettle, feel free. If not, just use water and boil it from cold. And then what you want to do is time it for 9 minutes. So I'm going to pause this and come back later. Right, now guys, these are done. So I'll turn that off, take it off the heat. Well, yeah. Then what you're going to do is get a bowl of cold water and then carefully lift them out and pop them in there to cool down. Then once you've put them in there, let them cool down, take them back over to your chopping board like this. Then what you do is just crack them like that, and then put them back in the water. Then you leave them to cool for a little bit longer. That will do. And now I'm just gonna peel one to show you how it's done. As you can see, the egg has now been peeled, and now if you watch carefully as I cut open the egg, you will notice that it is done perfect. Some of you may want to cook it for longer than 9 minutes, but I prefer 9 minutes as it keeps the orangey look in the yolk, and also I just prefer the juiciness of it when you eat it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. If you're new around here, subscribe, and I will see you guys later.